Oh, there goes 2 bees. It's another day. It's another day in Eli's life. You know, nothing amazing. Hive number 2. Okay, guys. Well, there's the hive. Gotta come more this way. Another one of those massive hives. Well, Lord have mercy. No shortage. It's another day. It's another day in Eli's life. You know, nothing amazing. Jeez Louise, these bees. I mean, it does look kind of fresh right here, so I'm hoping this hive only ends about right here or so. All right, let's chase them off, guys. They are not happy. Okay, guys. Here's some brood for you. You can sometimes see the eggs. Hard to see, but this is all brood. This is what we need. Let's throw that in the box. And there's more here. Come take a look at this. That's all brood, and we got pollen right there. And then there's larva right there. You can actually see it. I'm gonna carefully take it out and put this piece in the box. It's nice because through the wax, you know, when the wax is yellow, you can't see the pollen, but when it's black, you can see it like really clearly. It's so nice. Oh, there goes 2 bees.